Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Poco X2 device in terms of the battery draining while watching the videos continuously. So right now, both the phones are charged at 100% as you can see, friends, and I'm very interested to test this kind of test because both the phones are having the same kind of battery capacity, 4500 mAh capacity. So Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Poco X2 as well. So in this test, I'll be playing the same video in both the phones, 1080 resolution video as you can see here. And for the testing purpose, I have selected the Poco X2 as 60 Hz refresh rate to make the test evenly between both the phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Poco X2. And I continued these videos in a loop continuously, and I got the stopwatch ready in the middle, as you can see here, friends, clearly. So let me disconnect the chargers and start the stopwatch at same time, and let me show you how much brightness I am using right now currently. As you can see, friends, I am using exactly like 50% of brightness in both the phones. As you can see, friends, clearly I have disabled the auto brightness mode as well. So overall I'll be using 7% in the MX player as a brightness. So the total is of 15 and I selected the 7, which is of close to 50% of brightness. And I'll be continuing the test for the couple of hours continuously, and let's check how long will the videos can be played in both the phones. So as you can see, friends, after 8 hours of playing both the videos in both the phones, Poco X2 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and let's check how much is the battery percentage in both the phones right now. As you can see, friends, the battery percentage is of 57% on the Poco X2 device, and whereas on the Redmi Note 8 Pro the battery percent is of 52%. So overall there is a difference in of 5% Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Poco X2 device. So that may not be a huge difference in terms of the battery drain, but still, considering the battery capacity and the display size, and both the phones are pretty close to each other, but still the Poco X2 has managed to top up Redmi Note 8 Pro device in this test. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends, and also do check the links in description also for the playlist as well for both the phones. So again, I'll be continuing this test by decreasing the brightness to 5%, 5 or 4% I think. So if you decrease the brightness and if you play the videos continuously, overall it got played around 18 hours of videos. These with I think 20% of brightness, not with the 50%. So overall in the first half I did with the 50% and the next I did with the only 20% brightness. And let me show you the battery statistics. As you can see, friends, the screen on time here 18 hours and 6 minutes. So overall, friends, depending on the brightness, how much you use in both the phones, you can play close to 20 hours also is possible in both the phones, depending on the brightness you are using. So 15 to 20 hours, friends, if you are using 4G data or Wi-Fi enabled in the background. So depending on all the cases, you might get around 15 to 20 hours of video playback is possible in both the phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Poco X2. But in terms of the comparison between both the phones, the Poco X2 has got slightly upper hand than the Redmi Note 8 Pro in terms of the battery draining, as you can see clearly. So the Poco X2 beats Redmi Note 8 Pro by 8% overall. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.